This is Alex Moñino. I'm the Senior Vice President for Additive Manufacturing inside HP. At HP, we take sustainability as a responsibility, but also an opportunity to drive positive change in this world. Sustainability is fully embedded in our values and also in our business strategy. And I would summarize it in three key pillars. First one is climate action. Second one is human rights. Third one being digital equity. Our first pillar is climate action. We're in a climate crisis, and that's why businesses need to lead to drive change. That's why across all of our processes, from design, production, and disposal, we have aggressive goals in order to drive change in sustainability and climate action. The first one is we have a goal, aggressive goal, by 2040 to be net zero carbon neutral. And we're actually on track to meet our interim goal at 2030 to cut our emissions by 50%. At 2030, beyond emissions, we also have a goal of circularity, and that 75% of our products are circular, and we drive all of the actions in order to ensure that is the case. We are a printing company as well, and we have a goal and actions to drive to make sure that every page that is printed through HP, it's forest neutral by 2030 as well. The second pillar is human rights, right? Everybody deserves to be treated fairly and to have the right chance and opportunity. That's why we select and we work that 95% of the suppliers that we work through all of our processes, have the right goals and the right processes to ensure that those human rights are being met. And the third is digital equity. In this world nowadays, to thrive, you need access to technology. Technology, we believe it's a right, and today there is many people and many communities that do not have access. That's why we have a number of programs across the globe to make technology accessible to those communities. And actually, we have a goal to increase and accelerate by 2030 access to technology for 150 million people incrementally to today. So what teaches those three strategies and three pillars is twofold. One is innovation, to make sure that we innovate across our chain of supply chain, design, circularity, etc. And having that innovation with sustainability in mind. And second is partnerships, right? Partnering with companies that have the same values. And in this case, Evonik is a company that has very high standards, very high values and plans on sustainability. So we're happy that together we'll be able to achieve our goals.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.